Does your Wi-Fi still buffer? No more frustrations watching movies online, playing video games, calling friends or co-workers. You can connect more than 60 devices simultaneously. This allows you to create a fully smart home. There's no contract, so you're fully flexible. It's a low-cost solution which gives you amazing value. The system is pre-configured for your convenience, so you don't need to be tech-savvy to set it up. Your property will be flooded with complete mesh Wi-Fi coverage in less than 10 minutes. And best of all, it works with all internet service providers. The system is 100% cloud-based, so you stay connected. It's equipped in a robust firewall for your security, so you get a mesh Wi-Fi system you can trust. Try it for yourself and get started now. Click the link to order your Kick Mesh Wi-Fi. kickwifi.net